First of all, what is the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 is a simple calculation that can be used to estimate the length of time it will take for an investment to double in value. The rule states that the amount of time required to double an investment is approximately equal to 72 divided by the interest rate. For example, if you are earning 6% interest on your investment, it will take approximately 12 years for that investment to double in value. We get this number by dividing 72 by 6, which equals 12. While the Rule of 72 is not exact, it is a helpful tool for estimating how long it will take for an investment to grow. Additionally, the rule can be used in reverse to estimate the interest rate required to double an investment within a specific period of time. For example, if you want your investment to double in 10 years, you would need to earn an annual return of approximately 7.2%. We get this by dividing 72 by 10, which equals 7.2. Whether you are saving for retirement or simply trying to grow your wealth, the Rule of 72 is a valuable tool for estimating how long it will take your money to grow. How accurate is the Rule of 72? While the Rule of 72 is a useful tool, it is important to keep in mind that it is only an estimate. Actual results may vary depending on a number of factors, including inflation and market conditions. Nevertheless, the Rule of 72 provides a good starting point for estimating the future value of an investment. If you were to do the exact calculation to see how long it would take for an investment to double that returns 8% a year, the answer would be 9.006 years. You can see that 72 divided by 8 equals 9, so even though the Rule of 72 might not give you the exact answer, it's a great way to get a fast estimate that's fairly accurate. Before I talk about how to adjust the Rule of 72 to work for different rates of return, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. The Rule of 72 versus the Rule of 73. The Rule of 72 is most accurate when working with interest rates or returns that fall between 6% and 10%. If you're dealing with numbers outside of this range, you can adjust the equation by adding or subtracting 1 from 72 for every 3 points the interest rate falls below or above 8%. For example, an 11% annual compounding interest rate would be 3 percentage points higher than 8. Since it's 3 points higher, you would add 1 to 72, which equals 73. If the rate of return is 14%, you would add 2 to 72, which comes out to 74. Thus, you would be using the Rule of 74, and so on. On the opposite end of the spectrum, if the rate of return is 5%, you would have to subtract 1 from 72 because it's 3 percentage points below 8%. So you'd be using the Rule of 71. So the rule still works the same basic way, you're just using a different base number. So instead of starting with 72, you might be starting with 73 or 74 or 71. It all depends on your rate of return. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.